click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy.
His understanding of it, and you can relate to it when you watch films, and that's why I think you feel so, matlab, dil se you feel for his kahanis. At least I do. So I think that's what makes him special.
Hi Anushka. Hello. Hi Anushka, आपके सामने.
What will you give? Show me how much money you have. You will not be able to.
अनुष्का आपके सामने.
Literally 20 रुपए. I'm not exaggerating. That also for auto, because you know, because you.
I'll give you I'll write a check.
Thanks.
I'll write a check.
हाँ, okay. Thank you, sir.
Hi
Blank
अनुष्का.
देना.
अनुष्का आपके सामने. अनुष्का, क्या कोई बॉलीवुड का ऐसा एक्टर है जिसकी हरकतें देख के आपको लगा हो कि कितनी चीप हरकतें हैं, जिनके साथ आपने काम किया हो या आपने मन में सोचा हो इन अ फनी वे?
मेरे ऐसे बहुत एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं. बॉलीवुड के कई सारे एक्टर्स मुझे बहुत चीप लगते हैं.
तो सर आप नाम बताना चाहेंगे?
जरूर. सबका नाम बताऊं? SMS करूं आपको बाद में? आप नंबर दे दो मुझे अपना.
अनुष्का, आपका आंसर?
नहीं यार, I was just joking because we can't take this question very seriously. You don't.
Imtiaz, hi Imtiaz, to your right. Hi. So during Tamasha, you had said you don't know what love is, and people are now talking about your style of romance and love. So isn't it kind of ironical that most of your films have a very deeper sense of love, but you say that you don't know what love is?
अनुष्का के साथ
Why is Shahrukh smiling? Let's ask him that.
Sir, any particular reason for your smile?
Because I finally joined back. मैं काफी देर से cut off था, तो मुझे पता नहीं कि आप दोनों क्या बातें कर रहे हैं. So I came back with a smile.
So we were talking about various things, about who is cheap in this industry. Any hero who is cheap, Anushka was asked. No, she didn't take
expensive.
She didn't take your name. Acha, I don't think he can hear us properly. Sir, can you hear us?
No, I can't hear you. It's good. Okay, disconnect.
Hi Anushka.
Hi, you were talking about. I was asking about your style of romance, and you say you don't know what love is.
आपने कैफी आजमी का नाम सुना है?
Yes.
उन्होंने एक लिखा था बहुत पहले कि जो कही गई न मुझसे वो ज़माना कह रहा है कि फसाना बन गई है मेरी बात चलते चलते. तो अनुष्का के साथ रह के मैं भी थोड़ा फिलोसॉफिकल और पोइटिक होता जा रहा हूँ. बट मुझे अब भी मेरा जवाब वही होगा कि मुझे एक्चुअली नहीं पता है, ना मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, बट यू डोंट नो व्हाई यू डू द थिंग्स दैट यू डू.
And the second question is about the title of the film. Many people have not liked the title of the film, and
blame Ranbir Kapoor. हाँ, मैंने
We are going to start a website so that people can just blame Ranbir Kapoor for this. We will shortly publish that website ka address, and everybody can just come and put their complaints about the title, if at all.
He thinks he's very smart. He's not on social media, so no one can criticize him. We'll make a site for him, and you can complain. Okay?
Hi Anushka.
Hi Anushka. So your Gujarati accent is pretty amazing and bang on.
Thank you.
So how did you prepare for it? What were your reference points?
Actually, I had a diction coach to teach me how to speak. So Imtiaz sir had introduced me to a diction coach, Dimple, who so basically phonetically how how it would sound, you just write it exactly like that, and then you learn the lines in that fashion. And after some time of and Imtiaz like we would sit and go through the scenes, working on the accent. Even Imtiaz's understanding of this diction is actually strangely good. I don't know how, but yeah, it is. And then we would just practice that. एक बार वो ज़हन में आ जाता है, so then when you normally also you're talking, you're able to bring that in. So yeah, it was just some effort on my and Dimple and Sir's behalf.
Hi Anushka.
Recently, Shah Rukh said in an interview that while you were shooting Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, you paid him a compliment. You said that, he's a very good human being, but you never said he's a very good actor. So now have you paid him that compliment, finally?
मतलब 9 साल हो गए इस बात को, अभी तक हम लोग क्यों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? Like 9 years it's been.
But I want to know.
Yeah, of course you would want to know. See, what I told him was, what I meant, since I'm so philosophical, what I meant was that being a good actor, being good at your job and all is like something that, you have, it's a given, na? I mean, he's Shah Rukh Khan. You can't say, who am I to comment on him and how he is as an actor, and, but I did tell him that the way he was with me throughout the film and how he made me feel so important and I didn't feel intimidated by him at all. And I did understand, of course, at that moment, in the time that I was shooting for the film, I was extremely grateful for it. But even, in the years that have gone by, I've come to appreciate that more and more, like I told you earlier. And that is what I meant by he's a good person. Because I think above all, I mean, of course, we all have to be very good at what we do, but it's also very important to be a good person above everything else. And that's my belief, a very strong belief. And I think that's what I complimented him for, because for me, that is most important as a person.
Hi, Anushka. Sonika here. Actually, I want to ask कि ये मूवी जो है हैरी और सेजल की मुलाकात के ऊपर है।
Are you also Guju?
No.
The Guju fever is catching on.
No. तो हैरी एंड सेजल की मुलाकात के ऊपर है। तो अनुष्का की लाइफ में कोई ऐसी मुलाकात जो यू रिमेंबर स्टिल, लाइक अनुष्का मेट समवन, लाइक ऐसी कोई मुलाकात के बारे में?
मतलब बड़ा ओरिजिनल सा क्वेश्चन है आपका, वैसे तो मानना पड़ेगा। मतलब इट्स जस्ट केम आउट ऑफ नोवेयर एंड सो ओरिजिनल। ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन आई मेट इम्तियाज, it was a great moment when I met Imtiaz and I felt so good when Alok impersonated Mohit Chauhan. Such amazing meetings we keep having with people all around. Yeah, I've had many moments. Imtiaz, when I met Imtiaz. He was just there. What was the person? Yeah, it was actually yeah, so when I met, such meetings वो आपके दिमाग में रहते हैं, आप बोल नहीं पाते, आप ज़हन नहीं कर सकते, जैसे उन्होंने अभी बोला ना.
She was like mute.
I was like, Imtiaz, just shocked, Yeah.
Hi,
Imtiaz, sir. Hi.
Okay. Hi. All right. So the film is already being appreciated. All the mini trails, song, people are loving the film already. The film has had wonderful response. So apart from all the excitement, do you feel that there's perhaps a little amount of pressure to meet the audience expectations?
Are you asking me?
Yes, sir.
Actually, luckily for me, I'm a director, and a director always has work to do. So there's
as opposed to what actor is doing. Where is my co-actor? He's not there.
Yeah, as opposed to actors who start becoming ghosts in other films. But since there is always work to be done, there's no time to be nervous really. You're editing, you're doing sound, lots of things, technical things which people don't know about has to be done. So there's no time to really get pressured, or you just have to do as well as you can.
And what about you, Anushka? For the same thing, what about you?
I think expectations लोगों की होती हैं और हमारी भी खुद से होती हैं. But I think there's no need to get caught up in that. You can only do what you have to do well. And I think for me, I expect the most out of myself when I actually can do something about it, which is when I have to choose a script, I have to prep for a role, I have to perform, I have to execute that preparation and shooting के समय पे उतना मेरे हाथ में होता है. Other than that, you can't kind of really get too caught up or worked up about things because it's not under your control. So that's the feeling that I have, and I think we've all worked really hard on this film, and I'm very happy with the film. So now you just like leave it out there and wait for people to react to it and think and come up with things they like about the film.
खान साहब मेरा सवाल आपसे है, आप हैं यहाँ आसपास?
He is currently disconnected. We're trying to reconnect.
तो इम्तियाज आपसे
he'll be back soon, Alok. So
तो आपसे जानना चाहूँगा ये जो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी थी गानों को लॉन्च करने की, या अहमदाबाद जाना या फिर गाइड वाला, तो ये किसने ये सब कुछ शुरुआत की थी और कैसे?
ये क्या कोई फनी सवाल आपने किया?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं,
बहुत लोग हंसे इस पर. अच्छा,
मनोज ने खुद को स्क्रीन में देखा
खुद पे जब अच्छा तो
स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में जरा बताएंगे?
हाँ, स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में क्या पूछा? बहुत स्पेसिफिकली
गानों को रिलीज जैसे किया गया अलग अलग शहरों में, या बहुत सारे
आइडिया था?
सेजल से जैसे मुलाकात हुई गुजरात में?
जी जी जी। ये मिली भगत है। यहाँ पे मार्केटिंग टीम के बहुत सारे लोग हैं, रेड चिलीज मार्केटिंग टीम के, और फिर जो भी टीम में है वो लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं। आइडियाज़ कहीं से भी किसी भी तरफ से आ सकते हैं, बट अक्सर शाहरुख सर खुद आइडियाज़ लाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड और एंथुजियास्टिक होते हैं। और किस तरह से कोई इवेंट है, जैसे ये इवेंट भी है, तो उसके पीछे द कॉन्सेप्चुलाइजेशन इज़ ऑफन हिज। समटाइम्स इट कम्स फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेज। जैसे कि वो गुजरात में सेजल से मिलने का आइडिया मेरे ख्याल से प्रभात का था, जो स्पाइस प्रभात। ये आइडिया कि इस तरह से इंगेजमेंट होगा, ये शाहरुख सर का आइडिया था आज के दिन के लिए।
Imtiaz sir, hi, Asta. Okay, so sir, your characters in your films are generally very like someone like Shah Rukh Khan, who has an immense fan following, and people already have a certain set of expectation. How different was it to characterize his role, and was it a pressure that you have to meet a certain expectations of his fan following?
Because of Shah Rukh himself, there was no pressure like that. Working with him was like working with any actor, and of course, sometimes during the shoot, when there was too much crowd trying to break in to see Shah Rukh Khan and all that, you realize that he's a very big star. But otherwise, the way he carries himself, the way he participates, and the way he is, you don't get the feeling while working with him that he's a very big star.
Can you hear us? You can, no? Yeah, so the question, I'm doing the question on the phone on my Facebook.
कुछ हो रहा है? हाँ,
philosophical.
Ara, can we hear him? Anyway, so I'll continue with your answer. It was very easy, also because he's a theatre actor, and more so because I'm from theatre, and we both are in a way from Delhi theatre. It was very easy to communicate, and I was very happily surprised that. We can hear you, sir. We can't see you yet. Can you hear us, Shah Rukh sir?
From theatre, and we both are in a way from Delhi theatre. It was very easy to communicate, and I was very happy.
Please bear with us. We are trying to get him in. I don't sound, sir.
We can hear you, sir. We can't see you yet. Can you hear us, Shah Rukh sir?
Acha, anyway, just finishing off. So it was very easy to work with him. I was very happily surprised to know that he's a very basic theatre actor, for whom script is important, co-actor is important. I think Shah Rukh Khan is the single most giving actor that I've ever worked with, actually. He's very giving towards his co-actors and towards everybody in the process.
Okay, मेरा सवाल इम्तियाज सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, अगर मैं शाहरुख की बात करूं, ओके, खड़ा हूँ पीछे कैमरे में आ जाऊँगा, उनको प्रॉब्लम होगी, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। इम्तियाज सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि शाहरुख की अगर हम बात करते हैं, वीर ज़ारा और रमने बनादी जोड़ी, कहीं पंजाबी किरदार उन्होंने निभाए, और अगर मैं हैरी की बात करूँ, इस किरदार की बात करूँ, तो क्या ख़ास आपने अलग रखा है कि वो चीज़ नज़र ना आए, या उनका लहजा हो या उनका किरदार हो, क्या ऐसा what is the brief to the Shah Rukh, and what you have kept in mind while working on that character?
I think when I was working on this character, I was not briefing him in reference to all the other work that he's done. I was not going there at all. I was just talking to him about this character. इसकी ख़ास बात कुछ है कि ये बाहर विदेश में रहते हैं, और उसकी वजह से उनका तलफ़ुज़, उनका हाव भाव अलग है. So I was just talking to him about Harry and Harinder Singh Nehra, and उसका क्या बचपन में हुआ होगा, etc., to create backstories, and that helped. I never referred to the other characters that he's played.
We have seen your films, Cocktail to Jab We Met, जितनी भी फिल्में आपने की हैं, एक अलग तरह की फिल्में करते हैं, खास करके लव स्टोरीज को रखे, चाहे वो तमाशा हो, चाहे वो हाईवे हो. क्या इम्तियाज़ आप मानते हैं ये पहली आपकी, आई होप यू टेक इट ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट, क्योंकि मैं उसी नोट पे कहना चाह रहा हूँ आपको, दिस इज़ योर वेरी फर्स्ट कमर्शियल मसाला हिंदी फिल्म।
ये तो पता चलेगा बाद में ना सर।
डू यू एग्री विद दिस?
I know, I've not written it like that. You know, like I've made Jab We Met before, or Socha Na Tha, or Tamasha. For me, all of them are the same. They obviously become very different ultimately for the audience. So, yeah, but this film is not in the same way as, let's say, Tamasha. It's different from that, yeah.
Hi, Imtiaz and Anushka, Shivangi this side from Aaj Tak, here. So, अभी जैसा आपने बताया कि आप झारखंड से हैं, लेकिन आपका जो सफ़र है वो कहीं ना कहीं पंजाब या देश के जितने भी अलग अलग शहर है वहाँ पर जाकर ख़त्म होता है। भाई भतीजेवाद की बात की है आपने। क्या आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल है, आप दोनों आउटसाइडर्स हैं इंडस्ट्री के लिए, नेपोटिज्म जो शब्द है वो कहीं ना कहीं आप लोगों को लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री में है, या फिर आप लोगों ने इसको कभी ना कभी फेस किया है? क्या आप लोगों को लगता है, आप दोनों की ओपिनियन क्या है इस पर?
ये कि हम दोनों, बल्कि हम तीनों यहाँ पर हैं, हम तीनों बाहर से हैं, तो अगर हमारे खिलाफ कोई भाई भतीजावाद या नेपोटिज्म हुआ होता तो फिर हम होते ही नहीं ना। मैं अपने बारे में ये बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस से कह सकता हूँ कि अगर मैं यहाँ पर हूँ तो it is only because of the love and affection of the existing film industry at that time that they listen to me. It's perhaps the only place that I truly belong. So I don't see it. I don't know about Anushka.
अनुष्का आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे।
Like what he said, if we are here today, it's because I mean we are here today and we've reached where we are within the same, being within the same industry. I have personally, I would say, been launched by a banner like Yash Raj Films, who have always, I mean, you know, and with me, with Ranveer Singh, they've always put talent before anything else. You know, I mean, I don't even think this was something that I even thought of, quite honestly speaking, when I entered the industry. But at the same time, I think सबके experiences अलग होते हैं, and we all have to respect and value that. Yeah, that's it. I mean, same industry में different people can be treated differently, and that has to be respected and valued.
But क्या आपको लगता है कि जो एक outsider
sorry ma'am, one last question.
Hi Anushka. Let me finish this. ये question बहुत ज़रूरी है, important है, क्योंकि आप लोग बात से क्या एक आउटसाइडर जो होता है वो फिल्म यहाँ पर आने के बाद इतनी मेहनत करके, जैसे आप लोग आज इस मुकाम तक पहुँचे हैं, उसके बाद इंडस्ट्री के जो लोग होते हैं वो बुली करते हैं, इज दैट राइट? लाइक आप लोगों से जाना चाहिए।
You are saying, you are asking whether it is right or wrong.
आईफा के मंच पे हाँ जो हुआ।
Listen, मैं सुन लिया आपकी बात। आप इस तरह से पूछ रही हैं जैसे कि ऐसा होता ही है ना, ये आपका assumption है ना मैम।
I'm generally asking you,
I'm telling you,
मैं नहीं कह रही कि ये ऐसा होता है, ऐसा होता, अगर
ऐसा होता तो सही होता या गलत होता, तो obviously गलत होता, right? ये तो कोई नहीं बोलेगा। हाँ ठीक है।
Okay, sorry guys, last question, let's keep it okay. Sorry. Okay, one last question, let's keep it positive, fluffy and sprinkle it with rainbows. One positive question and we are wrapping it up.
Hi Anushka, now that we're at Sejal's engagement, when will we come to know who your fiance is in the movie?
Actually, a film thriller hai. that is what the suspense of the film is going to be. So for that, you'll have to watch the film to find out who my fiance is.
Anushka, in the film you're hunting.
Okay, guys.
One question
in
for
the
you,
film,
sir.
Anushka.
Imtiaz sir, your movie
Anushka.
got UA certificate from the censor board.
I'm really sorry, ma'am. Did I say something nasty to you? I'm really sorry.
Imtiaz sir.
I'm really sorry.
Sir, here.
Are we going to carry on? No, we have got a UA certificate, as you were saying, in the film, and they did not ask for any of such deletion from the film. There were some audio changes. There was no visual cut. There was no video cut. There was some audio, very minor things. So it's all okay, and we are very happy with the certification.
In the film, you're desperately.
Sir, can you hear us?
Yeah, can you on behalf of you apologize to everyone? Sorry, this connection हमारा कुछ खराब हो गया.
एक second, sir. I'll ask if somebody wants to ask you a question and get the answer like this. Anybody wants to ask him something? Last chance.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, in the
Sir, we are asking somebody is asking a question. I'll repeat it for you. Oh, he's back. Oh, great. Okay. He is asking, रणवीर के 5,000 के चेक का क्या स्टेटस है?
मैंने उनको वो चेक दे दिया है।
Obviously, guys, Gujarati was involved. We keep our dealings very, very clear.
Anushka, in the movie you are desperately hunting for your ring, but real life में कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपकी खो गई हो and you were like searching for it for a long time.
Listen, I'm sorry to cut this. We can
I
come
feel like
back
my mummy
to
is
it.
asking me this question.
The point is that while Shah Rukh sir is here, I think before he goes away, please ask questions that you want.
Guys, for both of them, for both of them.
No, they don't need to ask. Yeah, you guys have fun. I can just listen in.
Okay, I think we are going to wrap up, but before we wrap up, Shah Rukh sir is going to speak few words to us. Okay. Shah Rukh sir, you're on mic.
Yes.
So we have connected 3 mics so that the whole of Mumbai city can hear your voice. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. थोड़ा सा हमारा ये technical glitch हो गया. So I really wanted to participate, but I've been listening to everything. Of course, you could not hear me out. I could hear it on various other channels. But thank you for being here. और जो भी सवाल आपने पूछे उसका जवाब hopefully सेजल और इम्तियाज ने अच्छी तरह दे दिया होगा. But as soon as I'm back, मैं फिर आप लोगों से दिखा के दूँगा. And I hope you enjoyed the trailer and thank you very much all of you for being here.
Okay, sir. We heard that.
Manoj is saying solo photo दे दो.
करके भेज रहा हूँ. मैं सबके लिए अलग-अलग पोस्ट में सेल्फीज करके भेज रहा हूँ प्रेस के लिए और एक नहाती हुई सेल्फी भी भेज रहा हूँ.
Okay, good.
And that's a wrap.
Thank you,
And
sir.
before we say goodbye, Shah Rukh sir, we would like if you wave at us over here down in Mumbai. Khan, and that is a wrap. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you guys have a great evening. Drive safe. Thank you so much. My name is RJ Syed, and it is a wrap.